On the topic of reconductoring, there's a lot of interest from regulators, from society, and also from utilities looking at how do we get more done in less time and at lower cost. Reconductoring obviously is a great choice. In reconductoring, you basically are replacing the conductors with a higher capacity conductor. And sometimes the new conductor, because of excessive sag, it requires the tower to be made taller, so you have to raise the tower height to accommodate the sag. You may also encounter the situation where you need to exert greater tension because the conductor may be heavier or bigger. And in that situation, the cross arm of these structures had to be strengthened as well. And these modifications to the structure may or may not trigger foundation improvements. And if you do, you may also have to get the foundations strong enough to accommodate the reconductoring. But no matter what type of retrofitting that you have to incur with reconductoring, it's going to require substantially more money as well as longer outage time to work on these retrofitting of structures. With TS conductor, we can potentially triple the transmission capacity with structures in the existing right-of-way without any retrofit. How do we do that? One, we manage the sag and keep it within the limits established by the traditional conductor. Because of the carbon fiber composite with low thermal expansion, we also manage the maximum tension to the structure as well. Why? And this is also related to the carbon composite core. It is lightweight so that we do not create a weight penalty to the conductor when we are adding aluminum to our conductor. And number two, we also have a conductor that has greater strength with a lower sag, so you actually are able to loosen the conductors a bit when you are stringing that up, so that you start with lower tensions, and when the wind or ice load is acting on the conductor, you are able to manage the overall tension to the cross arm so that you do not have to do any structural retrofit. And when you are able to do that, you can save substantial money in CapEx as well as avoiding these lengthy and expensive outages the utility had to schedule. So if you were to look at reconductoring, whether it's because of the California new law that's passed or FERC Order 1920, TS conductor-based reconductoring, it is the best option for utilities to upgrade the transmission capacity while keeping the cost low and getting the job done in as short time as possible.